The Good News by John, 5 parts and 50 events of eyewitness testimony. Let's go ahead and take a look at this first part where Jesus shows himself to the world. Basically breaks down into these 4 different chapters. You begin with the author's prologue, which is where the deity of Jesus is expressed. John actually tells you the very end of the study from the very beginning. After that, you go into John the Baptist and what he says about Jesus, and Jesus begins his public ministry, choosing the disciples. Then you go into his first miracle where Jesus turns the water into wine, and then he cleanses the temple at his first public Passover. After that, still in Jerusalem, he speaks with Nicodemus at night. Jesus and John baptize in Judea, which is kind of cool because their ministries are going concurrently. Then Jesus talks to a Samaritan woman and stays for 2 days, after which Jesus heals a royal official's son in Cana of Galilee.